Hey, what's up my friends and fans? Hunter Killer here, and I'm going to be doing another Roblox video on, I think it's called Zombie Attack. This is a new game, but, wave's cleared. So, now we'll just start playing, and it's going to be fun. Alright, so here's what we have. We have a pistol, and we have a basic knife, which we could throw. Yep, go. No. Is there zombies? Run, 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 run. How you think you can get me, zombie? Oh, tank sand monster? Yay. Do. Shoot him. Yes, we're doing good. Uh-oh. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What? Where's my gun firing? Oh. Ah! Run! Run! He's coming after me. Ah! Help me. Down. Or help get him. Come on, we got this. Oh, he's dead. Yay, we did it! We're doing great. I mean, nothing bad's gonna happen right now. Oh, zombie. Zombie. Got him. And he hit me. Still great. We're just gonna win this zombie war. Die. Ah, zombie. Oh, she's screwed. Hey, are you doing there? Zombie. Oh, God. Run. Yes, got him. And we're almost out of cash. Alright, we're doing great. We're just doing great. Killing zombies is easy. How come they get like huge, like a bunch of zombies right there? Here's one. Nice, we did it. Woo! Uh-oh. Shoot him. Yes. Uh-oh. No. Run. Run away from this. Come on. Oh. Yes, we got him. We're doing great. Uh-oh. Demon. Uh-oh. Get white. Come on, kill him. Yes, got him. It's gonna be shooting down there. Hopefully we kill something. I'm hearing a lot of stuff. Got one. Got you. Get that explosive zombie, then we're good. Uh-oh. Run. Oh my God, everyone's trying to kill me. Ah! Oh my God! It's a fast zombie. Just run. Don't even look back. Oh my god! Book it, just book it. Help, 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 help. Wait, did everyone die? Oh god. I think I might be dead. Help me, quick. Oh god, just go away. Go away. Go, go, go. Die, 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 die. No, I'm not gonna die this way. But get out of the way. No, 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 get out of the way. I'm not gonna die. Oh, maybe I am. Oh, die, just die. Kill him. Oh god. Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Ah. Kill the beast, kill the beast. No, I died. That sucks. Alright. Revolvers, $250, and we only have 100. Well, this is a short video for you guys. I hope you liked it. So, I'm not doing a long video today because I really don't feel like it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ask me if you want to see more. Peace out, guys.